Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to backup your WhatsApp chat and restore. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to backup and restore your WhatsApp chat, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your WhatsApp. In top right side corner, you will find three dot. Click on that. Then click on settings. In this, you will find chat. Click on the chat. Scroll down. You can see chat backup. Click on this. Here you can see one option which is include videos. If you want to backup your gallery videos or WhatsApp videos, you just need to enable this option. If you enable this option, your videos will be backed up in your Google Drive, which requires more mobile data and more your Gmail storage. So better option is you just disable this option, then select your automatic backups. Here you can select weekly, daily or monthly. I have selected weekly. Then go back. If you are using multiple Gmail account on your mobile device, you can select your email ID from here. After that, just tap on backup. You need to wait some time to complete this backup. After completion of this, just close this window. You can do whatever. If you want to uninstall your WhatsApp, you can uninstall, or if you want to reset your mobile, you can reset, and you need to install your WhatsApp again. After installing the WhatsApp, you need to open your WhatsApp application and enter your mobile number. After that, you will get OTP. You need to enter the OTP and just click on proceed. After that, you need to allow permission to the contacts. After allowing the permission to the contacts, press next. After that, you will find your restore or transfer chat option. In that, you will find two options: restore from backup and transfer from old phone. You need to select restore from backup. After selecting restore from backup, then click on continue. You need to wait for some time to complete your backup process. That's it guys. So in this way, you can backup WhatsApp chat and restore. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.